This is Forged for Speed.
In this video, I'll be showing you how to perform a complete power steering fluid flush that will avoid you a costly steering rack replacement. The signs of an overdue fluid flush is when you start to hear a hissing sound when the wheel turns fully to the left or to the right. Before we start, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when a new video is uploaded. Let's start off by using a syringe to remove all the used power steering fluid from the reservoir. Now the power steering tank has two hoses connected to it. At the bottom, it is the suction for the power steering pump, and at the side is the return hose. Remove the return hose and install a separate hose to collect the flushed out used power steering fluid. Remember to plug up the tank return inlet before filling up the tank with fresh power steering fluid. Now it is time to flush the system with fresh fluid. With help from a buddy, start the engine and monitor the fluid in the power steering tank. When it is low, stop the engine. Do not let the power steering pump run dry. Top up fresh fluid and repeat until clean fluid returns are observed. Here is the flushing results. Look at the separation between the darker dirty fluid and fresh fluid. Reinstall back the return hose and top up the system with fresh fluid. Next, start the engine and turn the steering wheel from max left to max right a couple of cycles to circulate the system with the fresh fluid.